that darn thing bothering you, huh? Sophie? Hey, look. Sophie? Hey. I can't get you on camera. You're too close to me. Sophie! Get out of the grass. Too tall. We don't want you getting ticks or something. That would not be good. Hey. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Oh, you're so smart. Yes, you are. You are such a smart girl, and you love your belly rub, don't you? Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. Oh, you're so cute. Sophie, sit. Sit. No. Here. Sit. Sit. Sophie, sit. Sit. Good girl. Down. Down. Lay down. I can't do it with the camera. It's too hard. It's just rotten. This is my first time outside. It's so exciting. So much to see. Say hello to your mother. Sophie. Say, can't wait to see you, my mother. Hey, Sophie. Good girl. All right.